Hello everyone, I am Raghu from MLR Learner. I would like to improve our speaking skills. Now we are going to learn about present perfect continuous tense. It shows that an action started in the past and has just completed or is still continuing in the present. Keywords: since, for, and etc. Since, for example, we have been living in Hyderabad since 2007. It is point of time. For example, we have been living in Hyderabad for 13 years. It is period of time. Helping verb: have or has. Already we know in the present perfect tense, in the present perfect continuous tense, also same, that is has or have. But in the present perfect tense, been is added to have or has. Same contraction also, that is have plus not haven't, as plus not is equal to hasn't. Main verb: present participle or ing form or V1 plus ing is equal to E4. It is also, we know that 6 continuous tenses have same main verb, that is present participle or ing form or V4. Example: structure of present perfect continuous tense. Subject plus helping verb, that is have or has, plus been plus main verb, that is present participle plus object. It is present perfect continuous tense sentence form. Serial number 1. I have been calling you. For 2 hours. I have been calling you is a present perfect continuous tense. But we added to present perfect continuous tense, that is time with keyword. If we added time with keyword, it will give complete or perfect meaning. I have been calling you for 2 hours. Here it is period of time. Serial number 2. We have been waiting for you since 2 p.m. It is point of time. These two sentences are completed in the present. These actions are started in the past and are just completed. And third one, you have been teaching physics since 2002. It is point of time. Fourth sentence, they have been playing cricket for 2 days. It is period of time. He has been learning English since last year. It is point of time. She has been watching TV for 2 hours. It is period of time. It has been increasing here since last month. We have taken here instead of it corona. So corona has been increasing here since last month. It is point of time. First and two sentences are started in the past and ended in the present, but third to seventh sentences, these 5 sentences are started in the past and is still continuing in the present. It is going on. It is not stopped in the present. These 5 sentences are going on. That means continuing. First 2 sentences are stopped in the present, but remaining 5 sentences are started in the past and present also running it. That is still going on in the present. They are not stopped in the present. Here, helping verb have is used with I and we. Have is used with I and we. These are first person singular and plural. You is second person plural. They is third person plural. Have is used with I, we, you, they. Has is used with third person singular. They are he, she, it. These all sentences are positive sentences. If we add not after helping verb, that is have or has, it will be changed negative sentence. For example, first one, I haven't been calling you for 2 hours. And fifth one, he hasn't been learning English since last year. If you want question or interrogative sentence, we write helping verb before the subject. For example, serial number 2, have we been waiting for you since 2 p.m. and add question mark. For example, serial number 6, has she been watching TV for 2 hours and add question mark in the ending of the sentence. These are positive questions. We can try to practice all negative sentences and questions and with other useful main verb, that is present participle and we will improve our knowledge about present perfect continuous tense. Thank you.